Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we are going to be unboxing a new toy. Hey, everybody. All right, so I just got the coolest new toy that I've been waiting for quite some time. Little story, we just moved to Laguna, and when I placed an order, my old address was attached to my shipping account and it shipped to my old address, which then I had to call and complain about, oh, got shipped to the wrong place, blah, 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 blah. Long story short, the people who live in my old condo, either they returned it or they kept it or whatever the case may be, I'm not really sure, but the company Smove was nice enough to go ahead and send me a replacement item. So here it is here. I've been waiting. They sent it priority mail. They are super awesome. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what we get in here. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this open. Jeez, they really pack it in there. All right, there we go. So we got that open. Oh man, look at that. So we've talked about some packaging. That wrapper looks incredible. Super excited. So this is actually the phone gimbal extension. This is for iOS and Android. So this is going to help me make some cooler videos and some more point of view stuff. Let's go ahead and open this up here. This is not a paid advertisement, by the way. They're not paying me for this, but I'm just really excited about this product because I've been using a cheap $3 tripod and it's actually worked pretty well. Believe it or not, I got it at Ross, but this is not from Ross. This thing right here is going to be incredible. I actually got this for, they had a sale going on. I got it for $179. It comes with the user manual here. So the Smove Mobile product overview, the structure, how it works, operation guide. It's got a charger, so let's see what's in here. So it does, in the box, it comes with a stabilizer for the tripod for the base. Go ahead and set that there. Comes with the charging cable for the device. Comes with a couple of other adapters here, which I'm not sure what those are for yet because this is my first time opening it as the unboxing. It does have a strap. These are always nice. Let me go ahead and show you this. So I can't tell you how many times you hold something and you accidentally drop it. So this right here, you'll be able to strap it onto the device, strap this around your wrist and prevent it from falling off. Or also, if you don't want to hold it, you can just put it on your wrist as far as that go and wear the device. And it comes in this nice foam packaging here. Here is the actual casing of it, which is really nice. It comes in this really cool travel case. We're gonna go ahead and open this up here. And nothing else in there. All right, so here it is. So this is actually a stabilizer unit. So when you are recording video, it will it'll keep your phone, because I know sometimes if you watch some of my past videos, they can get a little shaky if I'm walking or whatnot. This will actually completely balance the device. It's so freaking cool. I cannot believe this. I am stoked right now, like really super freaking excited. So this is the device here. I wanted to just open it up. You guys can take a look here. I'm going to set it up. I did get some instructions from them. They did say when you set it up, the first thing you do is put your phone in the actual unit, and then you're going to set it up for horizontal viewing there. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this. It is not charged yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it, and then also play with it a little bit, so that way I can give you guys some more details on how it works and what it does and all that good stuff. It does come with a quick start guide here. Right here it says charge your Smove, insert and balance your phone, and then turn the power on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it charged up right now. I'm so excited. This is gonna make some awesome videos, and I'll talk to you soon once I get it all figured out. All right, everybody, so we've got the Smove all charged up. Again, this is the Smove video compatible with iOS and Android. This is for the mobile, Smove Mobile here. This is the actual device, as you can see here. And what you'll do after you've got it charged up, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the section where you charge it up. You're going to go ahead and put your phone in the device. So this right here, it actually expands and you'll put the phone into there. So we'll go ahead and put this phone in here. This is the iPhone 10 Max. And then once you got that there, you're going to set it up so that it is level. And the way you do that is by adjusting this arm here. You pull it out or push it in. I'm not going to do that because I've got it set up to level here already. This is essentially perfectly level. And then what we'll do is on here, there is a power button. So we're going to go ahead and turn the power button on. There we go. You hold it down and boom. Now it is on stable mode. So now I can do selfie videos. This thing actually extends out as well, so it can be longer and it'll keep track. There's also a joystick right here. So if you hit up and down on the joystick, let me show you this function here. So the joystick, if you hit down, it'll rotate like so. It'll go all the way around. If you hit up, it rotates that way. Also, you can rotate it left. You can rotate it right, all while you're recording from your device. You can also start recording or hit still shots of camera from the camera button here. You can also zoom in and zoom out by hitting up or down, and that'll zoom in and out of your photos. And then also there's a trigger button back here as well. So in the user manual, it tells you how to set it up. It does tell you here is your charging port. It also goes through the rotation modes. So it tells you how to use the joystick here in the actual directions, which is really helpful. It also goes through all of the different modes. There are some modes where you can actually set it up. So let me show you the tripod that it comes with here. Again, this is just the unboxing video. Once I figure out all of the tips and tricks and everything, I'll bring it back to you with another review video. But now this can set up, and in the future, the videos I'll be recording of myself will be taking place with this device here, because we've got that. Also on the device, there is a section right down here where the strap, you'll put that right through there, and you'll have your safety strap. It does also come with the accessory bag here. And what I mean by that is it comes with these cords. We already saw the charging cord, but it comes with these extra adapters. So you can plug in a microphone to the actual unit. You can plug in a light to the actual unit as well. There is also even a charging port on the device here, right here where it's, let me turn this to off. So when you hold it down, it turns off, it'll go out of the swivel mode. There's also a USB port here that you can plug that in, and you can actually set it up to where it will charge your phone. So as you can see right now, it is off. So it's gone into rest mode. I'm going to push the power button again, and it turns on and it goes into stable mode. That's it. So that's where we're at right now. Again, I'm going to go through all of the directions, learn all the tips and tricks, bring you a review, but that was just the unboxing of the Smove Mobile. This is a phenomenal company. I'm really excited about bringing you some really high-tech, stable footage of me. So when I'm walking down the street or going for my runs or anything like that, I'll be able to bring you guys some really cool footage. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Make sure you hit all so that way you can see all of our upcoming videos. Again, this is Win with Ryan. You can also check us out at winwithryan.com. If you want to make some money online, check us out.